This is the Godox ML100 Bi, a fantastic portable light that packs a punch. Let's get into the video. I got this light and I started using it on my weddings, guys, and I have to say I'm truly impressed about the quality of the light, not to mention the power output of this light. This light is graded as a 100 watt light, but some say it actually is a 120 watt light. And this is what I use to power this light. I'll throw some example on the screen for you guys to see. This is actually a wedding I shot on New Year's Eve night, guys, and you can actually see the quality of the outcome of this particular light. Let's take a look at it. All right, so I've told you pretty much what this light can actually do. Let's take a look and see what's inside the box. As you can see, not much actually comes within this packaging, but it's very simple, very easy, and definitely portable. As you can see here, guys, if I hold this up here and you can see my iPhone, you can see how small this light actually is in comparison. I'm just talking about the width, and this light is just easily to transport into your bag, whatever it is that you're going to be using. I usually just have this in my car on the back seat and that's it. But let's take a look at the functionality of this particular light. Okay. All right, so the back of the unit is pretty simple. You have two vents here that exhaust the hot air, and then you have your power button, your mode button, and you also have your dial. You have to press and hold the power button and it comes on just like that. And then the light comes on, you press the power button once, it goes by, like a standby, you turn the power off. You also are able to change your Kelvin, and how to do that is you press the dial on the side, you press it in. Now you're able to change how low it goes. It goes from 2800K all the way up to 6500K, all right? And then you press it back again, and now you can control the power of the actual light. Now, if you go into the mode section now, you have your different modes. You can scroll through your different modes like so. So knowing that this is a new device, you can easily connect your device using the app. And what you do is you hold the mode button down, and all you do is you do the reset, you put it to reset, then you press it, and then now you're going to do add and say add fixtures, and it found it right there, and you click on that and you confirm it, and it's going to go through and pair the device. And now it's been paired. I'm going to close it. As you can see, there's not much to the actual light in itself, but it is so easy to use, especially when it comes on to using it with the app. So as you know, that this light actually is a Godox attachment that you have with this particular light. This is the Godox attachment, but if you want to now change that to the Bowens mount, there is an attachment that you can actually get, and this is the MLGB, and I'm going to show you how to attach it easily. You just put it on like that, and this is what it actually looks like on the light. Let me show you now the different attachment that you can actually use with this particular light, and then you can see what the final attachment is that you can use also with the Bowens mount. So as you can see, guys, this light is a very versatile, very compact, and also very powerful light. And I can't say enough good things about this light. And I think this is something that you yourself should actually consider, because I think you're getting value for money. And the thing for me is that it actually very, very portable. I can't emphasize that enough, how portable this light is, because of the size of the actual light itself. Let me know in the comment section below, guys, if this is something that you're interested in getting. And if you are, guys, there are affiliate links that are going to be below that support the channel. You can just click on those links and purchase the actual light itself. And also, guys, if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer every single question that you guys may have, or any concerns that you also might have, guys. And guys, if at all, guys, there might be a video right over here that I think you guys be interested in. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.